Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best camper fridge latch on the market, the KIZZHISI 5-pack child-proof refrigerator lock. Whether you're hitting the road in your camper or just want extra security at home, this product is designed to keep your little explorers safe and your belongings secure. The KIZZHISI refrigerator lock set comes with 5 locks, giving you great value and the flexibility to protect multiple areas. These locks aren't just for your fridge. They work perfectly on drawers, cabinets, dishwashers, ovens, closets, and even trash cans. This versatility makes them an ideal choice for anyone looking to child-proof their living space without hassle. One of the standout features is the secure mounting system. Each lock uses a strong 3M VHB adhesive, which gets even stronger after 24 hours of application. This means no drilling or tools are required, preserving the surface of your fridge or cabinets while providing a reliable hold that can withstand curious hands. This adhesive technology ensures the locks stay firmly in place even on high-traffic surfaces. Installation is quick and easy, taking just minutes to set up, and with no need for tools, it's hassle-free for anyone. The design allows for a 360-degree rotation and easy locking, which means you can adjust the locks to fit all types of furniture and appliances. The gray color blends subtly with most interiors, reducing visual distractions for children. Using the lock is straightforward. It secures tightly, so your child won't be able to open the fridge or cabinets, preventing messes or accidents. At the same time, adults can open it easily when needed, maintaining convenience without compromising safety. Beyond the functionality, the product is lightweight and compact, making it suitable for use in campers or small spaces where every inch counts. The locks weigh just over 5 ounces each, so they won't add bulk or interfere with your daily routines. Customer support is also a key aspect of this product. The brand provides dedicated assistance to help with any issues you might encounter, ensuring your experience remains positive and worry-free. If you want a simple, effective, and versatile child-proof lock solution for your camper fridge or any household cabinets, the KIZZHISI 5-pack child-proof refrigerator lock is a fantastic choice. It combines ease of use, strong adhesive mounting, and multi-purpose design into one reliable package. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. Safe travels and happy parenting.